Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Garbie of Garbie'Signature, and if you're new here, hey, you're welcome to this channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you think you want to learn how to get this kind of hairstyles done, keep watching. To my old subscribers, hey, thank you guys for keeping me here. Thank you guys for making everyone come back here every week, every month, every year, every day. You guys are the main plug on my channel, and I don't forget to always tell you, my subscriber for today, welcome to my channel. Thank you for leaving your beautiful comments. I always want to hear from you. I always want to know your thoughts today. As you can see, I have a head wrap on, but before I get into the head wrap, this tutorial is a collaboration with PWEOUKE store on Amazon, and I'm collaborating with them to review their newest product, which is the Stretchy Turban African scarf. Let's just keep watching this video to see if we like the outcome. In the meantime, click the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell. Don't forget to like this video if you love it, and drop your comments in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So if you like headgears, turbans, scarves like me, especially when I'm having a bad hair day, like you can see, I've got it half of my crochet out. I got the half part of the front not loose. It's because I'm just going through life and everything is sort of a little bit busy. So today's video, I'm showing you how I usually just go about my day, even though I've got a bad hair day. No one really knows what's going on underneath my scarf. So today's tutorial, I'm collaborating with PWEOUKE's hair store on Amazon. They sell turban materials. It's called the 4-piece Stretchy Turban Summer African Knit Headwear Scarves, and it's ultra soft. It comes in purple, white, blue, and the most significant colors you gotta have when you have a scarf, which is black. And it's for every woman out there. So if you're just like me and you have bad hair days, I think you want to keep watching this video. So for the first hairstyle, I'm going to be going with this and grabbing it here like so in the middle, making it 2 equal parts on the bottom. I'm just going to go like so. I'm just going to bend it a little bit, like 4 inches. Put the middle of the hair just behind my neck by turning it down like so. Then I'm going to grab it here. As you can see, it's a little bit bulky here. Just taking these 2 lengths, I'm just going to turn it here. Can you see that? So this little crochet hair over here is just going to serve as a base for me. So that's my mini dance. And next up, I'm going to be showing you, let's peep into this. Can you see the way my edges are laid? I used the crochet braid that I had on as a base. Even if you have like braids and other good stuff on your head, just try and pack it up to the center of your head over here and turn it into a bun just so it serves as a base. But if you don't have it, you can just get like a wrap scarf or any kind of scarf or material, or your tops, your cotton tops, just turn it into a little bundle and put it here, secure it with your wig cap just so it serves as a base to be able to form this. When you have nothing on your head, it makes this little scrunch over here a little bit smaller. It doesn't bring this added effect. But I'm going to show you guys how it also looks without the crochet or without the bun or without the scrunch that I advise you to use. If you think these are the kind of videos you like and you want to know more about what I have to say, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section. My Muslim sisters on here, if you want to tie your turban, the first thing you want to do is get a base. So let's imagine that this is my base. I've got, you know, whatever going on my hair, and I've got a flat cap covering. I'm going to cinch it like so. You know, just take it like a couple of inches in. You can just take this, swipe it all over your head like so. Let it rest here. And at the back, this is what it looks like at the back. I'm just gonna turn, take it, the edges, I'm gonna fold the edges in just so it doesn't look, you know, all over the place. I'm gonna get it over here like so, tuck it into the side, get this other edge, turn, and swipe it again. And I'm just going to tuck the edges in over here. And voila, you've got the very trendy looking head scarf that you can tie on Fridays or any day of the week. Look. Look. So this is another style to rock your scarves in. I'm also going to show you another style using this same scarf, because grabbing the edge with a little bit tucked in, I'm just going to go like so. And do a crisscross over here so it gets it smooth. We have this going on. We have two ends of the scarf, and I'm just going to tuck in the ends of the scarf like so. Tuck the same one in, and voila. I'm going to just tuck this in just so it's not loose. And taking this, I'm just gonna roll it by doing this, and I'm gonna take it like so. As you can see, this is the finished look. Big loops makes it look a little bit fashionable, just so that I don't look like a granny. But come on, let's get in here. Come on, come on, come on. Hey tribe, I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. If you have brands that you'd like me to collaborate with, or brands that you'd like me to review that have turban hair scarves, kindly do what? Leave a comment in my comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you're one of the first people that know when I have new videos. And to you all, I just want to say a big thank you for over 1,000 subscribers that we have on my channel. Kindly let's keep the ball rolling because we want to get to 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 and more. But in the meantime, kindly enter for a giveaway on my channel. Drop your comments in my comment section. Make sure you're an active subscriber. I want to see your likes, your comments, and trust me, there's a way to figure this all out. Till next time, bye loves.